put a Oregon powercut skip tooth chain on this, and we're going to try it out and see how it does. I'm swapping the chain on this 82 CS34, but one of the other things that I like about electric chainsaws I wanted to illustrate the difference on is taking the chain off, because if you have to get around the clutch, you know how that goes. This is just easy. This thing makes a pile of wood chips, and I'm not going to let these wood chips go to waste. They're going to go in a box, little bite-sized boxes that can go right into the wood stove.